Hello and welcome to DaveTech. If you're returning, welcome back to DaveTech. Now, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download the Canal Plus app for Fire TV. So, if your Fire TV is loaded up, just head over to find icon, go down to search and search in Canal. So CANA, and as you type it, it should load up. You see the notifications below. And you have right there Canal Plus. So click on Canal Plus and you find this icon right here, the Canal Plus icon. After clicking it, you find the download button loading. Give it a few seconds for your page to load. When it's loaded, just click on download. Now, this may take a few seconds to just over a minute, depending on your internet speed. When the download begins, just give it some patience and wait for it to download completely. After downloading, you will experience an automatic installation process. Just be patient. Sit down, relax, and wait for the installation to complete. It will take just a couple of seconds, really. And when it's done installing, head over to your app library to enjoy the app wherever you want to, or you could use the open app toggle that will appear on the screen. Now, if you had value from this tutorial, if you learned how to use Canal Plus, if you're finding this insightful and entertaining, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. I will produce more content for you with value like this.